Hi, welcome back to the Chugwater Chili Kitchen. I'm Terry, and today I'm going to walk you through our recipe for green chili chicken taquitos. And those are on page 38 and 39 of our cookbook. Okay, we're going to start with a package of cream cheese. This has been softened to room temperature. It's going to make it much easier to blend with our other ingredients. Next, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of our green chili seasoning. Of course, you can always vary that according to taste. If you like it a little bit or spicier or a little bit less spicy, you can do that. I'm also at this time going to add in 1 can, so a 4-ounce can of diced green chilies. I'm going to switch to our big bowl. It makes it a little bit easier when we get more ingredients in there. It combines really nicely. As long as your cream cheese is softened to room temperature, it's not a problem at all. Okay, now that's nice and blended. We don't have any plain white cream cheese anywhere. It's all clearly got the green chili and the diced green chilies mixed in. Now we're going to add a cup of cheese, and in addition to that, we're going to add in 4 cups of shredded chicken. So we've cooked it all up, and whether you want to do like we did, we purchased a rotisserie chicken that was already done for us so that we didn't have to go through the work of preparing the chicken itself, or you can cook chicken breasts or thighs, whatever you would prefer. These recipes are so simple, and they can just really make a party fun or just a family dinner night fun. All right, that is well combined. The flour tortillas or corn tortillas, today we're going to use the flour tortillas. Just spread some down the middle. And you want to roll these nice and tight because we're going to cook them in the skillet, which we've added just a little bit of oil to. You could also do them in your air fryer. If you have these as part of a little setup where you can have your different dips and salsas and things like that, they're a great addition. Okay, we'll just do a couple more here so you can see how this goes. You can kind of move them, set them in there really solid with the cream cheese. It makes it really easy to hold it nice and tight. Okay. We're gonna go ahead and take these over to our skillet that we've got pre-warmed over here on the stove. Fry these a little bit until they get golden brown on the outside. So we just wanna let these get a little golden brown and then go ahead and turn them. And just do a quarter turn because you wanna be able to get them brown on all sides. Okay, these are beautiful, you guys. They're nice and golden brown. They're gonna have a nice crisp crunch to them. Like I said, you can do this with corn tortillas if you prefer, if you need gluten-free or something like that. So there we are with our flour tortilla taquitos. Enjoy those. Have a fun party with those. Have a great day. Thank you for stopping by.